You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from French. This is also a brand name. This is also the name of a weapon. French pronunciation: main gauche, meaning left hand. Main, which is French for hand. Gauche is French for left. Main gauche. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, this is the name of a dagger. Main gauche, main gauche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.